As a short-term rental host, your guest satisfaction and comfort are key to the success of your business. Effective communication and providing exceptional hospitality are crucial elements in creating a delightful experience for your guests. In this video, we will explore essential tips to help you enhance your communication skills and elevate your hospitality game, ensuring that your guests have a memorable and enjoyable stay. 1. Prompt and clear communication. Prompt and clear communication sets the tone for a positive guest experience. Consider the following tips. Respond promptly to guest inquiries, messages, and booking requests. Aim to reply within a few hours to show your attentiveness and professionalism. Use clear and concise language in your communication. Avoid jargon and be mindful of language barriers if you have international guests. Provide detailed information about your property, amenities, check-in process, and local recommendations to help guests feel well-informed and prepared. 2. Pre-arrival communication. Make a great first impression and assist your guests before they arrive with the following suggestions. Send a welcome message a few days before check-in, expressing your excitement and confirming the details of their stay. Provide clear directions to your property, including any parking instructions or public transportation options. Offer suggestions for local attractions, restaurants, and activities that align with your guests' interests. 3. Smooth check-in experience. Ensure a smooth and hassle-free check-in process by implementing these tips. Clearly communicate the check-in procedure in advance, including access codes, key collection, or self-check-in instructions. Prepare a welcome package with essential information, such as a house manual, Wi-Fi details, and emergency contacts. Consider adding a personalized touch, such as a handwritten note or small welcome gift. Be available to answer any questions or concerns during the check-in process, either in person or through a reliable communication channel. 4. Personalization and attention to detail. Providing a personalized and thoughtful experience goes a long way in impressing your guests. Consider the following ideas. Take note of special occasions or celebrations mentioned by guests and surprise them with a small gesture, such as a bottle of wine or a personalized note. Pay attention to details like fresh flowers, quality toiletries, comfortable bedding, and well-stocked kitchen supplies to enhance the overall guest experience. Anticipate guest needs by providing extra blankets, towels, charging stations, or local maps and guides. 5. Ongoing communication and support. Maintain open communication throughout your guest's stay to ensure their comfort and satisfaction. Check in with your guests a day or two after their arrival to ensure everything is meeting their expectations. Be responsive to any issues or concerns that arise during their stay. Address them promptly and professionally to resolve any issues and leave a positive impression. Offer recommendations for nearby services such as restaurants, grocery stores, and transportation options if guests require assistance. Communication and hospitality are the backbone of a successful short-term rental business. By implementing the tips mentioned above, you can elevate your guests' experience and create a memorable stay. Remember, clear and prompt communication, personalized touches, attention to detail, and ongoing support are key elements that will set you apart as a host and leave a lasting positive impression on your guests. Strive for guest delight, and your short-term rental business will thrive. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share this video on social media.